Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as we all know, the JBL GO Bluetooth speaker has been one of the most successful Bluetooth speakers in the market. It's basically everything that a music lover needs when he wants to buy an in-budget and portable Bluetooth speaker. So in this video I am going to unbox the upgraded version of this Bluetooth speaker, which is the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker. I am going to unbox this device. I am going to tell you all the features of this device, and I'm going to show you how to connect this device with any other device like computer, mobile or anything. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. My name is Samian Sawant. Welcome to the channel. Alright, so as you can see, this is our device. Let's focus here. Okay, JBL GO 2 Bluetooth connectivity or through cable. Okay, now they claim that the battery will last for 5 hours, and we go back, see 5 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof and speaker phones included. Okay, now they say that it has won the design award for 2018. I'll focus here, design award for 2018 and the red dot award 2018 winner. Okay, so yeah, that's the packaging. Let's open the box. And yeah, this is our device. I'll keep this aside. So this is our device. I'll remove it out of here. I'll keep this box aside for a second. Okay, so as you can see, this is the JBL. It's the pearl champagne color. Okay, now I'll show you in comparison with JBL GO 1. Okay, so the first main difference is that, as you can see here, now in JBL 1 on the left side, okay, left side, see there was this input for attaching some kind of strap so that you can carry it anywhere. So they have removed it in this one. I don't know for what reason. Okay, then second thing is that, okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Here you can see this is the microphone, this is the charging input, and this is the cable input. Yeah, and in this one, as this device is waterproof, this strap is included. Now once you remove this, all 3 inputs will be there. Okay, let's remove it for now. I'll keep it here. Now I don't have any nails to remove this, so I'll just use this thing. Just insert it here and above. Done. I'll open this. Alright, so as you can see, same thing, microphone, charging cable, and the cable connectivity to play songs. Okay, so once you close this, it becomes waterproof. Okay, now the buttons are up here for both the devices. So this is the power button, this is the Bluetooth button, the volume decrease, volume increase, and the play and pause button, the only design which they have changed in buttons. Okay, and the branding of JBL is on both sides. Okay, so that you know that you are a proud JBL customer. And below here there's one more change, that see these 4 dotted things, they act as a stand. So JBL 1 didn't have that. So whenever you keep it down somewhere, so it directly gets touched with the surface, so that the dirt on the surface will also get attached to it. So that was a disadvantage. So this is a good thing which they have provided in JBL GO 2. Alright, so that was the structure of JBL GO 2. Let's go to this little box we've got here. Okay, now this little box, we have to just open this. This box will contain the charging cable and I guess the manuals. Okay, see, as you can see, this is the charging cable. I'll just remove it from here. Okay, let's keep this aside. Okay, so as you can see, this is the B type charging cable. The length, it's not that long, but yeah, at least they have provided with the cable. Okay, so as you can see it, let's focus here, it's B type. I was expecting C type, but whatever. Okay, let's keep it aside. And yeah, these are all the manuals, I guess. Yup, and the smaller one will give you, okay, wait, let's focus here. Okay, these are the manuals. Once you open this, the smaller one will give you an idea of how to use it and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna open all of this stuff, it's just basic reading stuff. You can do that once you buy it. Okay, so yeah, that was inside the box, the device JBL, okay, the charging cable and the manuals. So that was all for unboxing. Let's go back to the video where I'll discuss all the features and stuff. Alright, so that was the unboxing part. Now let's switch to the features. Now the first most important feature of this device is that it is waterproof. It's IPX7 waterproof. Now you can dip it inside water and nothing will happen to it. It will be absolutely fine. You can submerge it into the water at the height of 30 feet for 30 minutes at one go. Alright, so after this upgrade you can take it inside your bathroom, you can have a little dance in there, you can take it in rain, do anything related to water with it because it's waterproof. Now the second important upgrade is that in case of JBL GO 1, there was just a speaker here in between, alright. But in the case of JBL GO 2, there's a speaker on the left side and a bass radiator on the right side, as you can see here. So this bass radiator will basically improve the performance of the speaker, which is a great upgrade in JBL GO 2. Now the third most important upgrade is the design and the color variants which are available with this device. First, let's talk about design. Now in the case of design, if you see the JBL GO, see these curves are given in the second version. Now if you go to JBL GO 1, there are no curves to it. So if this device falls or anything, then the shock absorbance will be great. Second thing with the design is that there are, see, these 4 dots that I had shown in the unboxing part. Now these 4 dots will act as a stand when you keep JBL GO on any surface. Alright, so this keeps the surface and the JBL GO separate from each other. There is no contact in them so that no dirt will get stick to this. Alright, so that was with design. Now color variants. Now this is the pearl champagne color. Now if you go on the website or Amazon or anything, there are various color variants for the same price. So you can choose with whatever color you want. It's totally your choice. So that's a great upgrade. Alright, now the fourth feature of this device is that the battery life of this device they have given is 5 hours. Now it's not compulsory that it will go only for 5 hours. It depends on the usage of the user. Alright, now if you're listening to podcast or something that is at low volume, then the battery life may last for more than 5 hours. And if you are continuously listening to like EDM or something, then yeah, it will drain in 5 hours like. Alright, so yeah, that's the fourth feature. The battery life is 5 hours. So those were the features of the device. Now let's see how to use the device. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can connect the JBL to mobile device. Okay, just first of all, let's learn the controls of the JBL. Okay, so these are the 5 buttons. Now if you want to turn on or off the JBL, then just click this first button once. Okay, so it will make this sound. It will indicate that it's switched on. Now if you want to connect it to another device, we'll have to make the Bluetooth discoverable. So we'll have to click on this Bluetooth button once and this light will start blinking fast, indicating that it's discoverable. So let's click on it. Okay, so it's blinking fast. Now we'll have to go to our mobile device. Okay, we'll go to Bluetooth, and as you can see, available devices JBL GO 2. Now I'll just click on it. It will ask a pairing request. Pair with JBL GO 2, just hit OK. Done, it's connected. Alright, so that's how you can connect. Now I'll show you the audio quality of the JBL by playing a song from YouTube. Alright, so yeah, this is a channel. This is my friend's channel, Surojit Kotian. He posts music videos on his channel. So if you like the music which I play right now, just go and show him some love. Subscribe to his channel, like, share, subscribe. Alright, so I'll just play this video and we'll test the sound quality. Let's go. Alright, so as you could see, the JBL was moving, so the bass is really great of this device. Alright, so yeah, that was the sound quality of the device. Now these are the two controls: volume decrease, volume increase. So Once you press this volume increase control, I'll show you. Okay, the volume will get increased, and once you press on decrease, the volume will get decreased. Okay, it won't show up here. Some devices it shows up, some it doesn't. Okay, you can play and pause this video from here too. Alright, I'll just hit this. See, it starts playing. You can also pause it. Done. Alright, so those were the 5 controls of the JBL, and that was the sound quality of JBL. Now if you like the music which you heard right now, the link of the channel is in the description. Just go there and you can view all that stuff from his channel. Okay, now let's get back to the video where I'll review this product. So that was how you can use the device. Now for the review part, I absolutely love this device. Alright, now I took it for the feature of portability, so that I can just chill with my friends, listen to some songs, and I already had JBL one, so I thought let's upgrade. Alright, so the portability is one of the most important features. You can just keep it in your pocket, but it will look like a bump down there, so it's totally your choice, keep it or not. But yeah, you can just carry it anywhere. You can charge it with power banks and stuff, so it was a great upgrade for me. Second thing is that it's a great deal. Alright, the price is really great. Now I checked last time, it was like 2400 on Amazon, but I got it for 2200 on lightning deal. So yeah, price varies whenever there are offers and stuff, but it's a great deal to get like a portable waterproof kind of speaker. Alright, JBL GO 2. Now if you don't want waterproof, you can also go for JBL 1. It's totally your choice, but yeah, this was my take on the JBL GO 2 Bluetooth speaker. Now tell me in the comments what you think about this speaker, and yeah, that's it for the video. Now if you find any value in this video, do like it and share it with your friends whom you want to suggest this beautiful speaker, and consider subscribing to the channel. I post tech videos almost every week and Android Studio tutorial videos too. Alright, so yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching the video.